Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to encrypt PDF with password. Let's get started. Open the link given in the description. You have two options to upload your PDF file. First option is to drag your PDF file in this pink area, and the second option is to choose the file from your PC. So I will choose the file from my PC by clicking on this choose file button. So here's my PDF. Then enter your password that should be encrypted for your uploaded PDF file. Repeat your password. After entering your password, click on encrypt PDF button. It will take some minutes or seconds to upload and encrypt the PDF. This process goes on your network strength. Click on download button here. Now your PDF has been encrypted with password. Now let's check. I will open the encrypted downloaded PDF file. So here I have already opened, and here you can see it is asking for password. This way you can easily encrypt your PDF with password. Thank you guys for watching this. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified when I publish new videos. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.